Hi beautiful people. Hi everyone. Me and you have one task today, and that is to unbox and set up this ring light. My amazing sister got me a ring light. Thank you, Sarange. And so today we are going to unbox and open it together. Remember the last time I bought a microphone and a tripod? I unboxed it by myself and I only got to show you what was inside. I personally went with the 18-inch ring light spec because I felt the bigger the better, more lighting, you know. I got it last night. Okay, so I have my scissors ready and this is it. Let us unbox it together. Got the wrapper out. What we have here is this and what it looks like at back with all the plugins, and this is the light. Wow. last to take care of is this too. This one does not come with the battery, so I have to get one for it, and this one. Hey guys, that is it for today's video. I'm done setting up the ring light and everything. Everything is all set and ready to be used. Thank you for watching. It was a tiring process indeed, but we did it together. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try